In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you've scheduled a meeting that you no longer need, Microsoft Teams makes it fairly simple to remove it from your calendar. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can cancel the correct meeting without any confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to your calendar. This is where all of your scheduled meetings, events, and appointments are organized. If you have a busy schedule, take a moment to look carefully through your calendar so you can find the exact meeting you want to cancel. It's always a good idea to double check the date and time before making any changes, especially if you have several similar meetings planned. Once you've located the meeting, click on it. This will open the meeting details so you can review the event before taking action. At this stage, it's helpful to confirm that you selected the right meeting, since canceling it will remove it from your schedule and can affect anyone else who was invited. Next, click on Edit. This opens the meeting settings and gives you access to the options for managing that event. In Microsoft Teams, the Edit screen is where you can make updates to the meeting information, such as the title, time, attendees, and in this case, the option to remove it entirely. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just pause for a second and let the page finish loading. After that, click on Delete. This is the action that cancels the meeting. Depending on your version of Teams, you may see a prompt asking you to confirm the deletion. If that happens, simply review the message and proceed to confirm. This extra step helps prevent meetings from being canceled by accident, and that's it. Once deleted, the meeting will be removed from your Teams calendar. If other people were invited, Teams may also notify them that the meeting has been canceled, depending on how the event was originally set up. One quick tip before you finish. If you think you might need the meeting later, consider reviewing the details one last time before deleting it. That can save you time if you accidentally selected the wrong event. That's how to cancel a Microsoft Teams meeting quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.